Hello students, my name is Ruchika and I welcome you to Success CD's Education. Here I have some important information for students of CBSE class 12 who study chemistry. I will talk about the paper. First of all, there is a theory paper which is of 70 marks and there is a practical of 30 marks. So I will discuss both of them one by one. The theory paper, I will tell you the weightage which is given to different topics, the question wise breakup, and the design of the question paper. So this information that I am sharing with you is also available on the official website of the CBSE. You can see here unit 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All these 5 units will carry total of 23 marks. These are solid state, solutions, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics and surface chemistry. Then unit 6, that is general principles and processes of isolation of elements, P block elements, that is the 7th unit, D and F block elements and coordination compounds. These 4 units will carry a total of 19 marks weightage. Then unit number 10 to unit number 16, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes, alcohols, phenols and ethers, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, organic compounds containing nitrogen, biomolecules, polymers, chemistry in everyday life. So all of these will carry a total weightage of 28 marks, totaling to 70 marks. So here you can see the question wise breakup. There are very short answer type of questions which carry 1 mark each. There will be 5 such questions totaling to 5 marks. The short answer 1 type of questions which carry 2 marks each will be 5, totaling to 10 marks. The short answer 2 type of questions which carry 3 marks each. There will be 12 such questions totaling to 36 marks. There is this value based question which carries 4 marks. There is 1 such question totaling to 4 marks. And then there are the long answer type of questions which have 5 marks each, and there are 3 such questions totaling to 15 marks, and they total in all will total to 70 marks. This is the design of the question paper. First of all, there are questions based on remembering, knowledge based questions. There will be 2 very short answer type questions, 1 short answer 1 type of question which carries 2 marks. Then there will be 1 3-marker question, and this type of questions have a total of 7 marks. Then further there are the questions which are based on understanding. There will be 2 2-marker questions, 4 3-marker questions and 1 long answer type of a 5-marker question totaling to 21 marks and a 30% weightage. Then there are questions based on application. There will be 2 short answer 1 type of questions carrying 2 marks, 4 3-marker questions and 1 5-marker long answer type of question totaling to 21 marks. Then there are questions based on high order thinking skills which are on a difficult level. There will be 2 very short answer type of 1-marker questions, 1 3-marker question and 1 5-marker question totaling to 10 marks and a weightage of 14%. Then there are questions based on evaluation. There will be 1 1-marker question, 2 3-marker questions and 1 question based on values which is a 4-marker question totaling to 11 marks. Now we will talk about the practicals which are of 30 marks. There is 1 practical of volumetric analysis which carries 8 marks, 1 on salt analysis carries 8 marks, then there is a content based experiment which carries 6 marks, the project work which you have done will be of 4 marks, and then there will be a class record and an oral viva which will be also of 4 marks totaling to 30 marks. So here you can see on the CBSE website the syllabus for the practicals is given. Here these are the guidelines for visually impaired students for the practicals. The identification of familiarity with the apparatus will be of 5 marks. The written test which is based on the practicals will be for 10 marks. The practical record is for 5 marks and the viva will be of 10 marks totaling to 30 marks. Thank you. I hope this was of use to you. And for the physics paper, you can follow the link which is given. For mathematics guidelines also the link is given. For other subjects, we have this link for class 12 exam pattern and tips. Do follow this link, and also do subscribe to Success Series Education.